guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a playlist and how you can add videos to that playlist. To do that, you're just going to select a video you want to put in the playlist. So I'm just going to do that. And then I'm just going to press on these three dots over here, and then I am going to find an add to playlist button over here. And then I'm going to create the name of the playlist and then press create playlist and then just press add. You can even create more playlists up here. So I'm just going to press add. And for instance, you want to add more videos, you are just going to press on a video and do the same thing. Or if you want to create another playlist, there is a plus button next to your current playlist and you can create your new playlist there. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!